Pakistani ex-President Pervez Musharraf has been indicted on 3 charges over the 2007 assassination of opposition leader and former PM Benazir Bhutto. Prosecutors said he was charged with murder, criminal conspiracy to murder and facilitation of murder. Mr Musharraf made no public remarks at the hearing but denies the charges. The case was adjourned until 27 August. Mrs. Bhutto was killed at an election rally in the city of Rawalpindi in December 2007. Mr. Musharraf, who returned to Pakistan from self-imposed exile earlier this year, is currently under house arrest. But he was produced in court in Rawalpindi amid tight security. 6 others were indicted along with Mr. Musharraf, including 4 suspected militants and 2 senior police officials. Array of charges. Ms. Bhutto's assassination at an election rally in Rawalpindi in December 2007 was blamed by Mr. Musharraf's government on the Taliban. A 2010 report said Benazir Bhutto's death could have been prevented, and that Mr. Musharraf's government failed to provide enough protection at the time. His aides dismissed the report as a pack of lies. Mr. Musharraf first came to power in 1999. When he ousted Nawaz Sharif in a bloodless coup. He ruled the country for 9 years before being voted out, and then he left Pakistan to live in self-imposed exile in Dubai and London. Repressed newsfeed. A correspondent. The former military ruler returned to Pakistan earlier this year in the hope that he could lead his party into elections, but he was disqualified from standing, and found himself under house arrest fighting a series of charges relating to his time in power. These include charges relating to the murder of a Balak tribal leader, Nawab Akbar Bhutto, in 2006 and his attempt to sack the entire higher judiciary in November 2007. Mr. Sharif is now back in power, having emphatically won elections earlier this year. His government has said that it also plans to put Mr. Musharraf on trial for treason. For Newsfeeder, Kate Johns.